Okay, so this is just a short, sweet video about using the Google Doc URL variations and something else. So, first you need the URL from your Google Docs document. Then you put it here into the yellow field in the spreadsheet. And please beware, you have to put all the things from the end. Yeah, this here, you have to get rid of it. So until even the slash, so it's only the number there, the ID. So and now you have the ID for your document, and just take this and copy that and go to the Google URL shortener. I just did it, I think. Okay, I just now I have to do it again. So now I'm a robot, and just wait for the sign. Okay, it's egg day. That's an egg. That's an egg. You can see an X. So yeah, okay. Well, shorten URL. Then take this shortened URL and put it in the test with goo.gl and put it in here. And now I also have goo.gl variations, and they are all with backlinks. They're really good backlinks. Okay, and next is Twitter. Now you put the goo.gl into Twitter. I just did it and I don't want to post it again. So I only take this status here from my tweet, status URL from the tweet. How to get the status URL, I just can show you. So if you have tweeted, then the tweet is in your timeline. And you can see the tweet in your timeline. So one moment. Yeah, I'm really working heavy on my laptop at the moment, so it lasts a little bit. So here you can see that's my test 2. And then you go on to the date. Yeah, click on the date. And then you get the status URL from your tweet. Just copy that. And put it into the Twitter URL variations. And put it in here. So, and now you have the variations from your tweet. So, and now I put all the variations together. First is goo.gl. Just copy that. And I put it into a spreadsheet. Yeah, not spreadsheet, into a document, sorry. I think I have all the documents here. Okay, doesn't matter. So now the Twitter URL variations, and they also have all backlinks to your post on it, to your Google Doc, sorry, not your post, to your Google Doc. So paste it in, and I think this here are the documents. Yeah, I think I just prepared it a couple of minutes ago. So Google Doc variations, just check it. It's GV4. GV4. Yes, okay, that's the right one. So, and here's my Amazon profile and all the variations. Just copy that. Come on. copy, and then I just put it into the query indexer. There it is. So the indexer, and now I get all my URLs pinged. And I need to go into Google Index. So tools, index, and just put it in here. So, and submit URLs. 60,000. I think it's roughly 55 different variations from the one Google Doc document. And indexation, next indexer. So, put it in here as well. And just put it in here. But they're all unique URLs. Fit fitting 50 links. It's not fit fitting needed. We'll talk about 1,000 and we need. Okay, it's 50 links. 50 links from one Google document. And yeah, that's all. Are you done? Have fun, rank your shit. Bye bye.